magkaparehong daan ng ports sa departures. Magpatuloy ng 300 metro, pagkatapos ay ang iyong destinasyon ay nasa kanan. Sa 100 metro, ang iyong destinasyon ay nasa kanan. Ang iyong destinasyon ay nasa kanan.
Ang labo.
Ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's official Weno 8233 and today we're heading back to Iloilo yet again. Right now we're in Terminal 3 and the flight will be leaving by 4:20 if not mistaken by the ticket. Let's check the stats here. As you can see,
Let's see. Well,
wait, which was it again? Yeah, I can't. One second, I cannot track the flight. This was
I would set them
Cebu. Aha, there it is.
oh, we.
447 Iloilo, departure 4:55. Let's open. All right, let's go.
1 hour later. Several bad puns later.
Time check. It's already 2:05 and my shoulder hurts. So we're still 40:55. So I think I might have some time for early breakfast. Phase 1, I guess. Oops. Phase 1 of breakfast. Then in Iloilo will be phase 2 of the breakfast. I'm starving because I'm in Delhi.
Later.
And here is my breakfast. Chocolate waffle. Yep, I paid up a peso for this, so don't judge me. I'm a sucker for breakfast.
Breakfast!
Bon appetit, yeah. I mean, bon appetit. I don't know. I don't have any other slang words for that, so cheerio. Just. And of course my top-notch drink, chocolate cream. This is good, everyone.
6.5 hours later.
Time check is past 3:30 and the assigned gate of 5G447 is 134A. Yeah, we gotta go.
Few inches later.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in gate 134A and there's our flight, alright? We're going via bus.
Several inches later.
Once again,
Time check is 4:07, I think. Yeah, it's 4:07 and we're now boarding the plane. Intentionally.
And ready ng physical ID kasama yung physical na boarding pass. Sari-saring hawak ng boarding pass.
Later.
We're taking the front seat, baby.
Feet.
Audio.
Eventually.
we are off.
Wishful thinking.
There's the other aircraft, Airbus A320neo, I think. It's on a new livery, just like last time in my video. This literally the same thing.
Okay na po siguro kasi kahit po Janel, pati sila ako. Ano po yan? Kailangan po siya na.
On the other hand, we have Singapore Airlines for Singapore Changi up right here. Wow, look at this. And then right here is what is this? I almost forgot what that is. This, what is this? It's I gotta say it again. It is Wamos, I don't know. And then another big key is Cebu Pacific here. We're going to the underpass to the opposite side of the apron. And here we will greet not this plane. It's supposed to be right here, I think. Okay, I think this is our flight to Iloilo. This is a Airbus A321neo, I guess. Right. Sit in then. We're still waiting for remarks.
Later.
Right then, we are heading to the plane now. meet the Airbus A321neo here. Abed!
Okay.
Madonna. Whoa. Whoa. Summer break again. Let's see, according to the ticket, I'm on the meal seat in 27. Telephone. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. CBE. Okay, as usual, we still have the same briefing card, menu card, and sickness bag. And also, I don't know what happened to the USB ports here. It looks a little bit destroyed. And as usual, here's the window view, even though I didn't book this seat beside me. So I was sitting there. But I think I might get a view on the takeoff later since it's literally 1 meter ahead of me. I'll just see.
Eventually.
Alright, good news. I got the window seat. The other passenger told me to borrow it for me so I can film the takeoff better. So take it, but right now we're just going to skip the departure. So let's take
A few moments later.
time check is 4:53 and we're still waiting for the pushback to start. There's another Airbus CP21 on the other side of the apron. Okay, the beacon light's on, we're ready to leave. And now, the safety demonstration.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to
And
release
we
air.
are moving.
Light automatically illuminates
1 minute
once the battery
until
is immersed
departure.
in water.
Wow.
Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. Each cabin door is equipped with a slide raft. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself.
I don't know why we're going like this. I don't know why our position is like this.
everyone's safety, please be advised that the use of power banks during the flight is strictly prohibited. Power banks must remain switched off and should not be connected to any device while on board.
There's the pure
Additionally,
gold
please
wrapped
ensure
Air
that
Asia
your
over
power
there.
bank is individually
I don't know if you can
fastened
see it because of the
and kept
darkness,
in your
but I can
pocket
see
or
it.
under the seat
I can see the
pocket.
words
If you
though.
notice any signs of overheating, smoke, or
Okay, now
fire
we're going to
from
the
a power
direction
bank,
to
please
runway.
notify your cabin crew immediately.
I
Once
don't
again,
know
the
why
use of power
this is
banks is
some
prohibited
average
for
typical
the entire
pushback.
duration
Lol.
of the flight. And due to the potential risk of fire associated with lithium-ion batteries and damage to your portable electronic devices, we request that you remove all charging cables from the in-seat power outlets during taxi, takeoff, and landing. In addition, please do not charge any electronic devices, including power banks, during this time. Para po sa inyong kaligtas, nangyari po lamang na tanggalin ang mga charging cables.
Alright, beside me is new Resorts World and Sheraton, including Horizon Center, and the entirety of NAIAX.
We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats. Fasten seatbelts securely. Keep window shades open.
I
And
can see the
tray tables
sunrise over
still.
there,
Voice
right there.
communication with the use of mobile
There it
phones
is.
prohibited while cabin doors are closed.
And now engine one's
This is a
starting up.
non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
Once again, this is flight 53447, your Airbus A321 CEO jet service bound for Iloilo.
Yep, it's H21 EO. Thank you, flight attendants. This is the best part. Put your earphones on. Starting, the sunrise is also rising. Started and rising. I think I learned just fine during the startup, but well, let's just hope it just turns off while we're taking off. I forgot to put it in mute, for God's sake. Yeah, should I put it in a bucket and turn it off in the first place? There's a joy bus on NAIAX. I think there's someone dropping off at Terminal 3. That thing is from Baguio City. It's obviously a Golden Dragon Navigator. Yep, it's a Navigator. Let's get rid of the alarm. Oh god. Hopefully it turns off before we are even one way. Please. Here we go. It's also slightly raining too. What the hell? Anyway, bye bye Manila, I guess. And all cabin guitar. Look at that morning sunshine. Wow, even though it's raining, but holy guacamole. This is the entirety of Sukat. And there's Dr. Santos below us. Dr. Santos Station. I'm not sure when the phase 2 will finish, but let's just see. Maybe probably the next years.
Few inches later.
Look at this sunrise. Wow. This has been a real morning flight I have ever taken in my life. I think we're currently passing over Batangas only at this point. I don't know. But look how cool the sunrise is. Let's do a lavatory check, shall we? Oh. It's lavatory check time. The lighting looks different, unlike the last Tripreport from Iloilo to Manila. And yeah, everything looks the same. Fixed water supply on sink and water supply on the toilet. Right. So whatever.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
The time check now is 6:04 a.m. I just woke up from my 30-minute sleep because I wasted my energy hours earlier in AM Terminal 3, so I decided to skip it onto the final approach to Iloilo Airport. So here we are.
Cabin crew delaying stations.
At least here in Iloilo, it's clear skies. And that's a clear city too. Arrived at Iloilo Airport at exactly 6:08 a.m.
Pacific Air welcomes you to Iloilo. Hello everyone, we have just landed at Iloilo International Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins.
Usually the temperature is 32 degrees Celsius, so I think I might expect a little bit of rain in the afternoon later.
Bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin na may ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po.
Later.
We're now deboarding the plane. Thank you very much. We're back at Iloilo again. The time check now in Iloilo is 6:19 a.m. Well, I still haven't ate breakfast phase 2 yet, so I think that'll happen after I film this entire of the how can I say this? Entire of the Tripreport, of course. It took me almost what? Hang on, thumbnail shot. Alright, so we're here now finally at Iloilo Airport. So we're going to do a split here. This will be part 1, and the part 2 will be the jeepney hop from SM City Iloilo, where I'm actually going to use the UV Express going there to the city. And then in the next part, I will use the jeepney from there in SM City Iloilo all the way to Tabak Terminal. So stay tuned, everyone. Until then, thanks for watching. Peace out.